In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Shopify store. First of all, log into your Shopify store. Now, for example, if you want to create a backup in case something goes wrong, there's a way to do that. To start, click on Products from the upper left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll now see a list of all your products. In the upper right-hand side, click on the Export button. From the export settings, choose All Products so that every product is included in the export file. Next, choose the format you want for the backup. You can either choose to export the data in different formats or just use the second option to save it as a plain CSV file. Once you've made your selection, click on Export Products, and the file will begin downloading to your device. After that, it's important to also back up your theme. To do this, click on Online Store from the left-hand side menu. Scroll down and locate your current theme. Beside the Customize button, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots and then select Download Theme File. A message will appear informing you that the theme files will be sent to your registered email address. Click on Send Email to proceed. Then, go to your email inbox and you'll find an email from Shopify with the theme file. Click on Theme Export within the email and your theme will be downloaded in a zip file. Now, let's say at a later point you want to upload this theme to a new Shopify store. You can do that by returning to the same theme section, scrolling to the top, and clicking on Import Theme at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then you can select Upload Zip File and choose the theme file you downloaded earlier, and this is how you can back up your Shopify store.